To connect a BullX account to Nova, you will first need to create a BullX account. Once you have done so, you will need to connect it to Telegram by following the on-screen instructions. Next, go to the Nova website at click.trade on nova.io and click on Download for Chrome to enable the Chrome extension. Add the extension to your browser and wait for it to install. After installing the extension, go back to the Nova website and click on Connect Telegram. If you have the Telegram app downloaded on your computer, you can click Start Bot. But if you only use the web version, click Open in Web. On the Nova bot, click Start or type Start. And if you encounter an error message saying the main bot is under maintenance, select one of the alternative bots. On the Nova bot, hover over the button and click on Menu. Then select Wallets. If you don't have a wallet, create one, and then click on Export Private Key. Select the wallet you want to export, and your private key will be displayed. Copy the key to your clipboard, but be sure to keep it private and do not share it with anyone. Before proceeding, go back to the menu and click on Settings. Then, Nova, and ensure that the Use Panel Settings option is enabled. Once you have completed these steps, go to your BullX account and navigate to the Wallet Manager. You may need to add a new wallet or import an existing one using your private key. However, in some cases, you may not need to add the wallet manually, as it may work automatically. To enable the Nova extension on the BullX trading platform, click on the Extensions puzzle in the top right corner. Pin the Nova extension, and click on it to enable it. This will refresh the BullX page, and you can then set your presets according to your needs in research. After saving your presets, you can enable the Nova panel and start using it within the BullX platform.